Hi, welcome to AYA Cosmetic. And if today is your first time you are coming to this channel, I tell you subscribe, like, and share also. Don't forget to click on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, please don't forget, copy the link and share to people so that they can get a vibe on this channel. Okay, don't forget also we have another channel called AYA Cosmetic. We have some good videos that can really inform you about this skincare stuff. You can go watch our video and subscribe also. And if you want skincare items or organic recipe, how you may call it, yes, you can always count on us for this retail. We ship everywhere: US, UK, Canada, any part of the world. You can just think of it. Even in this country, we always deliver. Retalk. Okay, quick one. I just want to make you understand that in any of my Promixing, yes, I always consider everything. I don't think only one side. Yes, I know somebody might use this. Oh, it's best for me. Fine. And then that person might use it, might say, oh, it's causing me some white patches and all that. Oh, I tell you, it's not this soap. I could say it again, it's not this soap. Yes, this yellow Sisi soap. Now everybody be diving into yellow Sisi and they don't even know how it came about. Yes, I am the owner of yellow Sisi. I formulated it. I formulated the lotion and I formulated the soap and some other of the series I've been doing also. So they try to claim me. Yes, but I tell you, it's been trademarked already, so y'all don't need to bother about that. Are you getting it? You see this? Yes, it's also antioxidant. And what do you mean? When I say antioxidant, what do you mean? You want to know? Let me tell you about antioxidant. Antioxidant is a kind of a solution to oxidant, right? What is oxidant? Oxidant are reactive molecules that can be found in the body and outside the body, which causes damages to other cells in the body. Are you getting it? Which causes other reactions like diseases to your body. Yes. So that is oxidant. It can cause inflammatory or cause any other hyperpigmentation and some other stuff in your body. So the solution also is right in here. So when you use this yellow Sisi, it's not going to cause you any of those I just mentioned. Any of oxidant problem, not going to cause you any of those, because the solution is right here. And that is what I'm acting always anytime I produce or I promise. I always want to put the solution alongside with it. I don't want to judge nobody. When people talk to me, oh, I bought this from somebody and it cost me white patches. It could be those persons, not me, not we, not us, not AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, baby. I'm in here to give the ladies the perfect match in what they want. And this is the right solution for you. So these 2 weeks, I tell you retail, I ain't telling no lies about this. 2 weeks. You see me now? I try to reduce my complexion because I'm trying to get that guy. Yes, because you guys make me do this for myself. And when I started, I keep saying when I started newly, oh, come on, you dark, why can't you use your product? So let's see it. And I started using my product, and then again I found out that yes, my product I told you is working, and it's working through me. But I just want to go back to my right complexion, yeah? Because one thing is this. It might be what you like, it might be what I like, understand? I just want to be lighten up a little, not just get more white like that. You see it now? But you might you want to get whoosh. You want to turn to white. Yes, and then we have all that. That is why we put all the formulas out for you. If you know that you want to do yellow Sisi and you know vividly you can do it, go ahead and do it. But you don't need to claim the rightful owner of yellow Sisi. You're not. So I'm just saying everything randomly, because that is what some people do. When they shot me, they say, oh, I had somebody say, she got yellow Sisi, she made it. And I said, yeah, I put the formula already out there. But don't forget, when you do yellow Sisi, always put the solution antioxidant beside it for people, to go along with it, so that they're not going to say yellow CC is bad, because yellow CC soap is one of the best soap trending right now. You can ask anybody. Retail yellow CC soap is one of the best soap trend. You are blemishes free. You are pretty blemishes free. No hyperpigmentation. Now you can use it for bait like you use it to. How do you use it? Let me tell you how to use it. First of all, y'all can use warm water to soak yourself, and after that, then you apply this in your palm and use it to massage your body. You don't need to use a lot, like you use a big sponge, blah blah blah. No, you don't need to use anything like that. So easy going. This is it. I've told you about yellow CC. And if you find any difficult that you can't produce it, you want us to produce this for you. We'll always get you this. Or you want us to send you items wherever you are in the world, in the US, in the UK, in Europe, Asia country, other Africa country that you think we cannot reach. We reach everywhere. Yes, we reach everywhere. We cut across everywhere. Even in this country as well, Nigeria. Any clan you are, we can always deliver to you. So I tell you, don't forget, go for this yellow CC soap. Yes, you are blemishes free.